About this item: Rainbow Plug and Play 3-in-1 USB Type-C to HDMI/USB-C/USB 3.0 multi-port adapter with small size, easy to carry around in pocket. Convenient for home theater entertainment, office, presentation, exhibition, teaching, etc. Lightweight, plug and play, no extra driver is needed. Rainbow 4K UHD HDMI port. With this USB-C HDMI adapter, you can mirror or extend the screen and stream 4K UHD or Full HD 1080p video directly to HD TV, up to the maximum resolution of HDMI 4K at 3840 x 2160p, 30 Hz, compatible with most monitors, projectors, high-definition TVs and other devices with HDMI interface. Very suitable for home use. Cinema entertainment, games, video conferencing, teaching, office, lectures, etc. Rainbow Type-C quick charging port with fast charging USB-C port, you can charge your device quickly. When charging, the HDMI port and USB 3.0 port are also available. Rainbow high-speed USB 3.0 transfer. The USB 3.0 port provide highest peak data transfer speed up to 5 Gbps, easy to transfer HD movies in short time. Compatible with USB flash disk, camera, removable hard drive, mouse, keyboard, or other USB A 2.0/USB A 3.0 devices. Rainbow multiple modes. The USB-C to HDMI multi-port adapter supports both mirror mode and expansion mode. You can not only sync your compatible smartphone or laptop screen to your TV to watch your favorite movies in full HD with multi-channel digital audio output, but also place your favorite movies on the big screen and do other things online. Rainbow widely compatible adapter, compatible with MacBook/MacBook Pro 2021/20/19/18/17